All right, welcome to the Fabulous Marketer Show, episode 8, Build Your Traffic System. All right, so welcome back, Fabulous Marketers. Today's episode, Build Your Traffic System, is a big one. All right, this is where your visibility engine takes form. Whether you're on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or a mixture, today you'll walk away with your traffic system outlined and ready to scale. So here's what we're diving into today. You're going to choose your primary traffic source. You're going to learn how to map your weekly traffic activity. You're going to learn how to build your platform growth plan and start tracking key metrics to optimize and grow. You don't need every platform, by the way. You need one that aligns with your persona, with your time, and with your message. Inside the resource vault that we drop, the traffic source selector, you're going to learn how to choose based on your flea persona and your marketing stage. This traffic source selector, Vault Drop, is going to walk you through matching your flea persona to traffic styles. It's going to help you to pick your top platform, whether you're a beginner, you're a builder at the pro level, or you're at an expert level and you completely branded yourself and you consider yourself a branded affiliate entrepreneur. It's also going to walk you through your time to return on investment, your ROI. It's going to help you to break that down as well. And also, it's going to walk you through direct links to traffic quick start kits. All right, segment 2, the platform growth plan. Now that you've chosen your traffic source, let's get intentional. Answer these questions. How often will you post? That's something that you want to decide upon within this growth plan. Also, what kind of content are you going to post? And how will you grow from 0 followers to 1,000 plus followers? These are questions that you want to have an answer to within your platform growth plan. All right, here's another vault drop for you. This is called the Platform Growth Planner. Now, this is a Google Doc that's going to help you to lay out your posting schedule, your call to action strategy, your growth levers. What are your growth levers? These are like the collaborations that you want to have with others, your lives, and your shares. And then it's also going to help you to lay out your platform specific actions that convert. Next, segment 3. Let's talk about this weekly traffic tracker. If you want your traffic to build, you have to track it. All right. They say like what you measure grows because you give it attention, right? And if you want your traffic to grow, you have to keep up with it. You have to know what's going on with it. We're not chasing vanity metrics here. We're tracking output, we're tracking growth, and we're tracking conversions. Another vault drop. Well, it's still talking about the weekly traffic tracker though, but as a vault drop, this serves as your weekly scoreboard. All right. This is where you get to uh, take a look at your traffic inputs and score it. Like, what are your posts that you're making? What lives are you posting and conducting? What about your stories or reels? These are all considered traffic inputs. Then you want to score your growth metrics. Within your growth metrics, this is you measuring your follows, you're measuring your reach out there in the marketplace, and you're measuring your views on your content. And then finally, you want to score your conversion metrics. This is where you're gonna measure your clicks. This is just the the natural reaction or action that someone's gonna take who's consuming your content. So these are your followers. These are those people that you're reaching, your target audience, those who are engaging with your content. Well, now they're taking action. These are what's considered your conversion metrics. So this is clicks, this is leads, and these are sales. And I'll also throw in there community members. Use this scoreboard every week for 4 to 6 weeks and watch your growth compound. All right, segment 4, traffic system activation. Let's keep this simple. All right, your traffic system equals visibility plus value plus volume. What does that mean? Well, you want to pick one platform. All right, this is where your visibility comes into your system. One platform where you will gain visibility through the content that you publish, the value that you publish on that platform. So pick that one platform that matches well with your fleet persona and commit to weekly content. Then measure your weekly content. Take a look at your metrics, the metrics that we just went over, your conversion metrics, your traffic input. Take a look at all of those different metrics so that you can improve upon those. Because what you measure, you can improve. If you're not measuring your progress, then you won't be able to improve upon something that you hadn't been measuring. And then finally, speaking of improvement, improve and scale upon your weekly metrics. Seek to get better, seek to grow every single week. All right, as a closing message for you, it's time to drive traffic. Okay, you've developed your traffic system. Your traffic system is your visibility engine. And every week you activate it, your audience will grow. Use the tools, track the actions, plug into the FMA community for support. You've got this. And I'll see you in episode 9, where we move into creating your lead magnet. It's about turning that traffic into leads and community members. Be fabulous.